have with us Mr. Ali Haider, Executive Director, Country Head, Global Corporate Standard Chartered Bank, Pakistan. Mr. Jahangir Awan, Associate Director, Standard Chartered Pakistan. Sir, welcome to the program.
Thank you very much.
So Ali, I would begin with आप अगर हमें introduce करें, which batch were you and how did the journey in Bahria start?
First of all, thank you very much for inviting us. You know, it's always a great feeling to be back to from where you belong to. So I belong to the pioneer batch, which is actually in 1995, and we are the senior most batch of the Bahria University, or the Bahria Institute of Management and Computer Sciences, what it used to be called at that point in time. So, you know, the senior most guys around in Bahria.
Wonderful. So sir, हमारा ये program है Back to Bahria, where we invite the alumni from the past. So we are very happy to have you. Founding batch जो हमारे university का था, तो we are very pleased to have you. आप Jahangir, if you would tell आप किस batch से and how does it feel to be back to the university?
Yeah, thank you for having me here. Basically तो 2001-2003 batch था मेरा, but चूँकि मेरी entry बहरिया में उससे पहले as a faculty member 1998 से हो चुकी थी, so मैं already I was part of the Bahria team in a faculty's capacity, और फिर 2001 I realized that I should do my business studies also, और फिर मैंने बहरिया as a student भी join किया.
Great. So आपकी यानी your entry to the university was in terms more toward the faculty first, and then you found the school as offering the right opportunity.
That's right, because मेरे पास पहले जो degree थी वो statistics में masters था, and I started teaching statistics related courses here. और फिर after 2 years I realized कि मुझे एक business school में पढ़ाने के लिए I need to have a business studies background as well. और फिर मैंने फैसला किया कि मुझे MBA भी करना है, and Bahria was the best choice for me to do it. So then I did my MBA from here.
Great. So Ali, if you would want to share your journey here, goes back, अभी तो you've come back, you've seen the campus grow, बहुत सारे programs आ गए. How was it like back then in the?
उस वक्त ये था कि this was not the campus at that point in time. So we used to be, you know, at the Bahria College campus. So the memories are from the Bahria College campus, but it is always good to know that, you know, the alumni and obviously the university is expanding, and obviously expanding across different, you know, courses and different degrees. At that point in time, it was only BBA and BSc Computer Sciences. So I did my BBA from Bahria. तो अच्छा था, मतलब I would say कि बड़ा एक heterogeneous crowd था, तो which gives you a lot of learning, you know, from people, different walks of life and different backgrounds. So it was not कि, you know, there was only one set of people who were studying and who were part of your class. तो उससे जो आपकी learning है of different, you know, cultures, backgrounds, ethnicities, it was a very, very diverse kind of, you know, class that I used to be in. So great feeling, you know, great learning. अभी तक हमारी जो है वो जो दोस्तियाँ हैं आज भी कायम हैं, and अभी भी हमारी once a year, you know, around the year end हमारी get together होती है of the 95-96 class, and it also happened this year as well in December. तो अच्छा है, it's a very good feeling.
And even when you graduated, तब भी ये campus found नहीं हुआ था उस time पे?
नहीं हुआ था. So I did my BBA from here, so obviously I was done by like 96-97. So ये campus उस वक्त तक इसकी start नहीं हुई थी construction.
And आपने जब how did you end up in a business studies program? Like I remember कि बहरिया का when we talk about आप जैसे हमारे seniors जो हैं, it goes back कि बहुत पुराना program है for Islamabad and this region. So was there any other program in the city as well, or was the
Actually, at the undergrad level, you know, there was no other business school or a business program that was in the offering at that given point in time. So obviously, and given the background that it had, and obviously the connectivity, the forward integration that it was providing from school to college to university. So I was quite hopeful, you know, that it will end up in a useful culmination of BBA degree. So I enjoyed a lot. I enjoyed a lot, and I can now think that it was a very good decision to join Bhairia, and to do a BBA program from Bhairia.
So Jahangir, आपका जैसे हम बात करें, you started as a faculty here. How did you learn of this thing first, and then what made you choose the institute for your degree?
मैं चूँकि मैंने अपने मास्टर्स 1998 में किया स्टेटिस्टिक्स में, जैसे मैंने बताया, and the same year I came to Islamabad looking for a job. So a friend told me that you should look around. I mean, if you're interested in teaching, तो आप universities या private sector में भी उसको भी आप देखें. So a friend referred me to Berry University को try करें. It's a very good school. So I came here and I submitted my resume, and luckily I was called for an interview in the middle of the semester. Or I don't forget those days when I was called for an interview, और उसमें जो उन्होंने मुझे offer की salary की, and without any hesitation, though it was not much, I just said yes, I want to do it. So I joined mid-semester and I started teaching BBA class. और फिर मैं जैसे पहले बता रहा था कि जब मुझे ये चीज़ रियलाइज़ हुई बाद में कि मुझे स्टेटिस्टिक्स के साथ साथ कुछ और अपने बिजनेस स्किल्स को भी शार्पन करना है, तो चूँकि मैं ड्यूरिंग द डे उस वक्त बहरिया का, जो अली जैसे बता रहे थे कि बहरिया कॉलेज वाले कैंपस में हम होते थे, और टाइमिंग्स उसकी शाम की होती थी, इवनिंग प्रोग्राम होता था, बिकॉज मॉर्निंग में इट यूज्ड टू बी द कॉलेज, और कॉलेज के टाइमिंग्स के बाद यूनिवर्सिटी वुड स्टार्ट. तो एक तो ये सिलसिला था. फिर बाद में जब मैंने MBA किया, उस वक्त यूनिवर्सिटी में क्लासेस सुबह 8:15 बजे शुरू होती थी और 2:15 बजे ख़त्म हो जाती थी. एंड व्हेन आई थॉट कि मैंने आगे पढ़ना है, तो मेरे लिए ये पॉसिबल नहीं था कि फिर मैं यहाँ से किसी और यूनिवर्सिटी में और सेकंड हाफ में अगर कोई अपॉर्चुनिटी हो जिसमें मैं पढ़ सकूं. तो बहरिया में मुझे अपॉर्चुनिटी मिल गई आफ्टर स्ट्रगलिंग दैट आई शुड बी अलाउड टू स्टडी, which was the request was initially turned down because a permanent faculty studying at the same school probably would not adjust in the culture that we have. But then they realized कि नहीं, ऐसा हो सकता है. And I was probably if not the first, the second person to get this opportunity to do my MBA.
So Ali, like you were mentioning that आप लोगों का एक बड़ा ज़बरदस्त reunion भी होता रहता है. Like after coming to the university, I'm sure you would want to bring a few of your old colleagues and Bahrians back to the campus as well. What do you expect the university to do in terms of that?
I think a connectivity establish होनी चाहिए between the university and the alumni, and it's a very strong alumni, starting from 95 to date, and people have done well in their careers, and I think they can also pass on to the upcoming generations. And obviously the students which are right now studying and they are about to enter into the industry, into the corporate world, so obviously that advisory can come from the alumni. तो वो जो एक connectivity है, and it's a very good initiative where we are today.
So Jahangir, I was saying कि आपने again you opted for another degree from Bahria University as well after a very long corporate experience. So how was that, and how did it start here?
Basically, I remember जब मैं पढ़ाता था earlier university में, तो I used to share a quote with my students that all true education is like a delayed action bomb, and a fuse 50 years long is by no means unusual. So मुझे हमेशा से इस चीज़ की realization है कि education आप कभी भी हासिल करें, किसी भी सब्जेक्ट में हासिल करें, वो आपको कभी ना कभी फ़ायदा ज़रूर देगी. Naturally, when we work for organizations, हमारी development के ऊपर वो organizations काम कर रही होती हैं, but they're more sort of focused on that industry generally. But अगर आप अब जैसे आज हम बात कर रहे थे, अभी लेमना के सिलसिले में भी बात कर रहे थे, और हम corporate world को link करने की बात कर रहे थे with the universities, and we realized the importance के corporate world से faculty or experts को बुलाना to teach and to address your graduates is very important. तो मैं ये समझता हूँ कि for me it was I mean personal development के context में मुझे लगता था कि मुझे दोबारा से जाके अपने आप को connect करना चाहिए with education. So when I have a corporate experience and I have those prerequisites to actually teach at a university as a visiting faculty, तो वो जब सारे skills हैं, तो I think I can contribute better and give back to my university.
So I think we've discussed a lot of formal stuff around the. So I would just want to share any good memories which you have going back, any fun activities which you guys used to do at the campus, or any friends you want to give a shout out to, and.
बहुत मेमोरीज हैं, मतलब अब तो ऑब्वियसली इट्स बीन लॉन्ग टाइम, लेकिन आज भी हम लोग इकट्ठे होते हैं, जो मैंने आपको बताया कि रीयूनियन होती है हमारी साल में एक दफ़ा, तो वो सारी मेमोरीज जो हैं रिफ़्रेश हो जाती हैं. उसमें शरारतें भी हैं, उसमें अल्लाह गुल्ला भी है, उसमें टीचर्स के साथ जो हमारा इंटरेक्शन होता था उस ज़माने में वो भी है. उसमें मैंने आपको बताया कि वी आर फ्रॉम द फाउंडिंग बैच, तो कोई सीनियर था नहीं, तो इसलिए कोई चांस नहीं था कि आप पकड़े जाएं.
Sure.
ठीक है, तो नोबडी वाज टू देयर टू चेक अस. तो इसलिए बड़ा अच्छा मतलब इन्वायरमेंट था, एंड आई स्टिल यू नो चेरिश दोज मेमोरीज समटाइम्स.
जहांगीर, आप अगर किसी
मुझे देखिए, मैंने I have seen the university graduate from an institute affiliated with Peshawar University to becoming an independent university. I've seen that phase. So मुझे लगता है कि यूनिवर्सिटी ने, और so मेरी बहुत सारी यादें भी इस कॉन्टेक्स्ट में कनेक्टेड हैं. जैसे हम बता रहे थे कि जी पुराने कैंपस में हम होते थे, वहाँ का माहौल, वहाँ के ग्रीन एरियाज, so वो probably we miss in the new building. फिर नई यूनिवर्सिटी बन रही थी, नए प्रोग्राम्स इंट्रोड्यूस हो रहे थे, so बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं. और फिर मैंने अपने दोनों कैपेसिटीज़ में एज फैकल्टी और एज अ स्टूडेंट बहुत सारी फ्रेंडशिप्स भी बनाई, बहुत सीखा भी. तो आई थिंक लॉट ऑफ फॉन मेमोरीज विद द यूनिवर्सिटी.
Coming from a banking industry and from a group which is one of the global leaders in that, how do you see the graduates coming on board in terms of within the banking industry? What do you see the most in them? Like any advice which you would want to give with the students? Because I know technology का बहुत बड़ा एक influence आ रहा है, which is shaping every industry of the globe. So how do you see, what do you want them to be prepared for when they enter the job market?
I think you have rightly pointed out, you know, the technology, and obviously the world is now moving towards digitization.
Yes.
The world is moving towards artificial intelligence, you know, and that's how things are changing, you know. So obviously a bank जिसकी के पहले बहुत ज़्यादा ब्रांचेज होती थी, और वो उस तरह से कोई भी बैंक की हम एग्जांपल ले सकते हैं, वो अब इट इज़ नाउ टर्निंग इनटू यू नो ए टेक्नोलॉजी गेम, and also you know a game of alliances and partnerships between different you know organizations to deliver to the ultimate consumer. So I think जो graduates का इस वक्त जो होना चाहिए, एक तो essentials obviously of finance, essentials of marketing, because banking is not only finance.
Great.
It is a mix of you know marketing and finance.
Yes.
तो I think वो mix एक होना बड़ा ज़रूरी है. और जो future banking है या future skills हैं, it is very important कि वो उनको आनी चाहिए. Basics उसकी obviously you can't.
Sure. And Jahangir, adding to Ali's point, like हम जिस तरह जब हम पढ़ते थे तो we didn't know about a few other programs. IT का चल रहा है, media studies चल रही है. So how do you see there should be an interaction between students of different programs as well? Core तो Ali has already mentioned कि core आप उस पे you build your career.
Absolutely.
बाकी के साथ कितना important है?
It is very important. It is very important. जैसे अली ने ये बात की है अभी कि financial technology अभी जो typical brick and mortar structure of banks is falling apart around the world. और आप देखें कि fintechs are coming in.
Yes.
ये branchless banking के concept आ गए हैं. So while you're expected to have the basic degree or qualification in business and finance, you have to be abreast with the latest technological developments.
Sure.
क्योंकि अब तो बैंकिंग इंडस्ट्री में इन पर्टिकुलर अगर हम बात कर रहे हैं तो IT और फाइनेंस they're together, hands in hand.
Agreed.
And you just can't do simply कि जे आपने finance पढ़ा हुआ है और आप financial technology के जो अभी current challenges हैं उसको आप overcome कर सकते हैं. में हमारे पास IT का भी पूरा department है, we have a business school. So they have to be collective discussions होनी चाहिए उनकी कि अगर suppose अगर हम सिर्फ banking की बात करें तो जो IT solutions बना रहे हैं, जो software development में काम कर रहे हैं, they should propose कि students को क्या business classes के साथ और क्या introduce किया जाए. और I think this is very important. Yeah.
And Ali, adding to Jahangir's point, इसी तरह से I'm sure जो employer as an employer भी जब हम लोग बैठे होते हैं and we are screening candidates, so we do expect in terms of हमारे final year projects होते थे, I remember. अब तो बहुत important हो गया कि industry projects हों. So how do you feel कि students को कितना उसको approach करना चाहिए, कितना seriously देखना चाहिए कि rather than theoretically solving something, to solve an actual real problem and then enter the market?
I think दो चीज़ें इसमें बड़ी important है. एक तो faculty, so obviously if you have a visiting faculty from the corporate background, ठीक है, तो वो obviously एक जो आपका gap होता है from theory to practicality उसको bridge कर सकती है.
Sure.
दूसरी चीज़ ये है कि especially for the MBA students who are graduating, उनका एक इंडस्ट्री के साथ लिंकेज जो है वो स्टार्ट हो जाना चाहिए इन द लास्ट कपल ऑफ सेमेस्टर्स एटलीस्ट, कि वो जाएं, वो जाके देखें कि मुख्तलिफ जो कॉर्पोरेट एंटिटीज़ हैं या इंडस्ट्रीज़ हैं वो किस तरह से ऑपरेट करती हैं. दे शुड विजिट एक्चुअली एंड आई थिंक यूनिवर्सिटी शुड अरेंज सच विजिट्स टू द कॉर्पोरेट्स and to the manufacturing concerns, to the industries, so that they can understand the basics of how the corporate world is operating.
Sure.
And it will also be making easier for them to decide where they want to land ultimately as part of the employees if they are not becoming an entrepreneur, which they ideally should.
Sure.
और इसमें एक मैं चीज़ सिर्फ ऐड करना चाह रहा हूँ कि करिकुलम डेवलपमेंट बाय इटसेल्फ, हम ये इंडस्ट्री लिंकेजेस की बात तो कर रहे हैं कि इन कॉन्टेक्स्ट ऑफ कि जी ग्रेजुएट जब हो जाते हैं तो उसके बाद प्लेसमेंट्स के चैलेंजेस हैं, वो कहाँ कहाँ जाएंगे इस इंडस्ट्री में. करिकुलम डेवलपमेंट में भी आई थिंक यूनिवर्सिटीज शुड बी कंसल्टिंग इंडस्ट्री. सो जहाँ पे आप फाइनेंस के कोर्सेज बना रहे हैं, आई मीन यू टॉक टू पीपल इन द टेलीकॉम इंडस्ट्री, इन ऑयल एंड गैस इंडस्ट्री, बैंकिंग इंडस्ट्री, कि जी हम कौन से कोर्सेज बनाएं और उन कोर्सेज में क्या मटेरियल होना चाहिए which would prepare our graduates for those industries. ये मुझे नहीं लगता कि अभी तक बहुत ज़्यादा इस पे काम हो रहा है.
Adding to your point, I agree in terms of that because अब तो industries इतना frequently reshape हो रही हैं, restructure हो रही हैं कि I think अगर हम 4 साल एक चीज़ पढ़ के graduate भी हो रहे हैं तो and how important is it for them to learn about like digital की एक बहुत बड़ी power ये है कि that has enabled students to know about industries, read about industries. Reading is something which हम लोग तो बहुत ज़्यादा करते रहे हैं, but the younger generation is like more towards the fun elements, fine, which is fine, but how important is that in terms of एक तो आपकी layer reading है, but technical reading in terms of अगर कि finance का like if somebody is coming from that background, what do you expect कि उसको किन mediums को ज़रूर पढ़ना चाहिए on regular basis and what should they be knowing more about?
I think इसमें जो है ना newspaper reading is very important. And then obviously magazines like Economist or Times or the New York Times, ताकि एक local as well as global knowledge of diverse sectors and industries. तो वो ये नहीं होता कि आपको कोई hardcore knowledge होनी चाहिए किसी एक specific sector की, but you should at least know what is क्या दुनिया में हो क्या रहा है इस वक्त, ठीक है, और where are we heading as part of the world. तो वो बड़ा क्रिटिकल है लोगों को पता होना. मैं आपको बताऊं MBA या BBA लोग कर लेते हैं, बट जो हम देखते हैं कि लोगों को अपना रिज्यूमे लिखना नहीं आता. तो अब आप अगर कम्युनिकेशन का कोर्स कर रहे हैं और उस कम्युनिकेशन के कोर्स के अंदर लोगों को ये नहीं पता कि यार मुझे अपना रिज्यूमे कैसे लिखना है या मुझे जो है अप्लाई कैसे करना है,
कवर लेटर कैसे
बनाना है,
proposal कैसे बनाना है,
तो वो तो मतलब दैट्स लाइक क्रिमिनल.
Agreed.
तो आई थिंक स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम द बेसिक्स एंड बिल्डिंग अपॉन those basics to the knowledge of the new world is very important.
Sure. I think we are coming towards the end of the program as well. So any one memory which you would want to share in terms of your university time, any friends you want to give a shout out again, you want to say any message for them or for the students as well?
मेरी क्लास में देखें बड़े बड़े entrepreneurs भी हैं और बड़े बड़े corporate world के लोग भी हैं. starting from Ahmed Bilal, who is very you know has a very diverse
We just had him here last week.
kind of background, you know, from a radio VJ to an employee of a senior employee of a large corporate organization, to entrepreneurs like, you know, Rehan Sheikh and Ahmed Ali Kudusi, Khurram, you know, is running Tuscany and all. So I think memories तो बेतहाशा हैं, अब वो उसको explain करना बहुत दफ़ा मुश्किल हो जाता है from the student life to where we are right now.
Sure.
Yeah.
And Jahangir, आपके लिए भी exactly, if you would want to give a shout out to somebody.
I think I don't have any specifics to mention here, but मैं ये समझता हूँ कि we all have a responsibility to pay back to the university we have graduated from, because the school that we've been studying in has done a major contribution in making us what we are today. So we all need to take out time and combine our efforts and strengths and pay back to society and to the institutions.
Well, thank you so much for coming to the program. We are so happy to have you here, and I'm sure through the power of digital channels and हमारे campus में जो screening होगी, a lot of graduates would be inspired hearing your story, and we would love to have you back to the campus with more programs. And thank you for joining.
Thank you very
Pleasure.
much.
Thank you for having me.
Thank you very much. Inshallah, next week we'll be back with another guest, and thank you for your time.